Grace from Grace's VK and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, this channel is all about traveling. I'm a travel agent from Germany. Now I'm a travel agent in Fiji because I quit that job and I want to see more of this world. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I want to share all my travel experience with you guys. So let's go! It's a Sunday and I have a day off. Today I'm going surfing. Where I'm gonna surf, I don't know. So today I'm gonna learn how to surf. I will be clumsy, I might fall, I might break something, but it might be fun. No, it will be fun. That's Godfrey. Bula is hello. I'm at Natadola Beach. It's really amazing here. The waves are amazing, pretty good for beginners. And Godfrey's gonna start up the board, give us a nice lesson, and I hope I'm gonna stand up today. And I have to get changed. Let's get started. I'm now back in Bamboo, got my hammock and now resting. Surfing was so much fun. I learned a lot of stuff. There are 4 steps to do. First, put your hands near your chest, then body up, then bum up, back foot first, and then the front foot, the other foot. So my back foot is my right foot and the other one is the left. At first I had some troubles to get up because I had a bad habit putting my left feet first. But I have to put my right feet. Now I'm just relaxing. After that, gonna have some dinner and then watch the sunset. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This is Grace's VK. I hope you had fun as well. See you around. Bye!